Alrighty guys, here we go. We're gonna get started on this brand new 2024 GMC Ultimate cab lights. As you guys can see right up there, there's no lights on this puppy. Customer drove all the way from Bonzo. That's like a 2-hour drive here to Corona to come and see me. He literally just got this truck about 2 weeks ago, and we already putting our hands on this puppy. That's what I like to see here. We already started the process. We got everything covered up. You want to make sure you cover everything up. Right now we're working on removing all these parts here. We're going to take all this apart in order for us to get to what we need to get to. All original GM parts from the dealer, including the wiring harness, lights, all GM parts, so you guys can see there. So let's get started. All original parts, best. Here we go again, guys. Drilling some more holes on another brand new 2024 GMC Ultimate. Alrighty guys, so we've got these holes drilled. This is the #1 tool you need here. So this is all you should end up with. Just a couple of little pieces of your expensive truck. And then that's what your hole should look like there. We got that one installed. We just got to put those on. First thing that I got to do though before I install these, correct me if I'm wrong, these trucks here will no longer rust. I mean, I know if you leave metal exposed with no primer or no paint, it'll eventually rust. So if you guys know any better, let me know. What I usually do just to be on the safe side is I throw on a little primer just to be on the safe side. Alrighty guys, so back here we go. We just finished putting that primer on there. We're gonna let it sit for like 10 minutes. Well, actually it's been sitting there for a little bit already. We're gonna go ahead and put them on. So, you know, these lights here already come with a little padding so that water doesn't get in there. But for me, to be on the safe side, I always add a little silicone on the surrounding area just to be sure that it don't leak down the line. Just a little tip for y'all. All right, we're peeling these things off. Whew. Whew, finished it up. Cab lights. Window tint. Another one down, ready to go. I'm gonna fire this puppy up just so you guys can see them lights there. So we did the 3% on the back. As you can see, it's pretty blacked out, limo tint. This has a really good clarity in the back though. Front, we did the 10%. No windshield on this one. And cab lights. Let's fire it up. Oh yeah. Alrighty, here we go. Wrapped up the cab lights. Cab lights on this one. Window tint, ceramic. We also blacked out the top clear lens on the cab lights we just installed. If I had the emblem here, I would get that done for him as well. I just ordered 2 of them to have in stock. We also tinted the reflectors here. Let me shut her down so you guys can hear me and see how they look with the smoke film on there. So normally they come like in a clear, like the mirrors here, but we added a nice smoked film to it. Like I said, along with these here, tinted the windows on it with our Wincos ceramic, 10% on the fronts, 3% on the rear. Reflectors are done. You say you drove all the way from Bonzo. Customer drove all the way from Bonzo to get this work done here. Brand new truck. Brought it down to the shop here in Corona, D's Garage. Well, there it is, guys. We started this job like around 9 o'clock, and we just wrapped it up. A lot of work. If you guys need this job done, let us know. I'll be more than happy to help you guys out here at D's Garage. Beautiful truck. Let's go. Alrighty guys, here at the end of the video, we did forget to mention we added wrap over the clear lens of the cab lights, and we also wrapped the reflectors on the side fenders. That's it. Make sure to contact us if you guys are interested on getting some cab lights and window tint here in Corona.